Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can make someone admin on Discord. So to begin with, you will need to create an admin role for your server. So let me do exactly that. You need to go into server settings, then enter the roles. In here, tap on the plus sign to your top right. Set the role name it however you want, choose the role color if you want to, and then just slide this little slider to the manager, up to the manager role over here, or manager level of permissions, pretty much. Then tap select, choose what member or what member of your Discord server you would like to promote to the admin role, and finish. After that, if you would like to add any further or more advanced permission changes, you can just open this role, go into permissions, and manually change all those endless permissions that you have over here. Perhaps disable them, some of them, or enable an extra ones. In our particular case, the thing that we are interested in is the advanced permissions field and the administrator toggle in particular. So make sure to switch it on, save changes, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.